This is a consumer snapshot for September 2015, and this month we'll take a look at 3 areas. Sentiment, with an updated look at consumer confidence. In strategy, we'll review practical purchase intentions. And finally, we'll preview some preliminary holiday insights from shoppers. We begin with consumer confidence. Sentiment declines 2 points from August to a new low for the calendar year at 44.9% for September. Confidence was likely shaken by the recent stock market correction and continued volatility on Wall Street. While this month's reading tracks a few points ahead of the 13-month low seen in October 2014, it does reside more than 2 points below the 13-month average. And current sentiment is relatively even with September 2014. On the bright side, this month's reading represents a 10-year high for sentiment in September and is nearly double the low we recorded back in September 2011. That, of course, was thanks to the debt crisis. Moving on to shopper spending strategy. Despite declining confidence, consumers' willingness to spend hasn't been shaken, yet at least. In September, pragmatic purchase intentions declined for the second consecutive month, down to 35.9%. A 13-month low. Consumers' focus on necessities when shopping also follows suit, declining from August and lowering about 10% from September 2014. It appears that declining gas prices might be the saving grace for the recent stock market fluctuations and ensuing decline in economic confidence. This month, fewer than half indicated that gas prices are impacting their spending in other areas, the lowest level since Prosper began tracking this indicator in mid-2004. So, confidence has been shaken a bit, but spending strategies remain intact, improving even. So what's in store for holiday 2015? We asked for consumers' preliminary thoughts on their gifting budgets this month. While those planning to spend more on gifts this holiday season remain relatively flat year over year, fewer are planning to spend less. The majority of shoppers plan to spend around the same as they did in 2014. Now, from these insights, we created our holiday spending score to try and get a better directional read on consumers' overall spending outlook for the holiday season. After a significant jump in 2014, the 2015 score remains relatively even, suggesting that planned gift spending for the upcoming holiday season will total in the $600 ballpark, as it did last year. Directionally speaking, our preliminary spending score has served as a relatively accurate bellwether for consumers' holiday intentions. As you can see in the chart, last year's bullish score in September foreshadowed a 10% increase in planned gift spending, which was released by the National Retail Federation in the following October. Optimistic preliminary outlooks for holiday spending also preceded spending increases in 2010 and 2012. And that's all for this month. You can also keep tabs on our latest insights by heading over to prosperdiscovery.com. Thanks for watching.